Hi guys, this is me Sir Tawheed, and in this lesson we are going to learn future indefinite tense. In this whole episode we are going to cover its definition, its structure, and then we are going to have a look at some of its examples. So guys, let's start with the definition. The definition is this tense expresses the actions or activities that are going to be happened or take place later than now or in the next coming time. It means that this tense is used for all those actions which are going to take place in future. Means whatever we will do later or after some time, those actions can be described with the help of this tense, which is future indefinite tense. Okay guys, so let's move on to its structure. Here we have four basic elements in this structure. So here the first element is subject, which is the doer of anything. After subject we use helping verb. Here we have two helping verbs, shall and will. After helping verb we have first form of verb, which is also called present form of verb, and after verb we use object. Object is something which is connected to the verb. Now let's understand the usage of shall and will, when to use shall and when to use will. So guys, remember, whenever the subject is first person we use shall, such as I shall, we shall. I and we are known as first person subjects. So if the subject is first person, I or we, then we use shall, and with all other subjects we use will. Like you will, they will, she will, he will, and you can also use any noun. Ahmad will, Aisha will. So guys, this is the usage of shall and will. Now let's have a look at some examples. Here we have the first example, which is I shall play cricket tomorrow. I shall play cricket tomorrow means I'm going to play cricket the next day. It means today I'm not going to play this, but I will play in the future time, and I shall play it tomorrow. To make this a negative sentence, we'll use not after the helping verb. So the sentence will become I shall not play cricket tomorrow. It means I'm not going to play cricket tomorrow. Maybe I'm going to play this today or even day after tomorrow. Now to make this sentence an interrogative one, we have to use helping verb before the subject. So the sentence will become shall I play cricket tomorrow? And don't forget to put question mark in the end. It means that I'm asking if I'm going to play cricket tomorrow. Let's move on to the second example, which is you will help him this week. You will help him this week. This means you are going to help him this week. It does not mean today you are going to help him. It means that maybe 1 or 2 days later you will help him. So this work is going to be done in future times, not in present. So that is the reason that we call it a future indefinite tense. Now you can see here, since the subject is you, so we have used the helping verb will, and in the first example, if you notice, we used shall as the helping verb because the subject was I, which was first person. So if the subject is I or we, then we use shall, otherwise we use will. In the second example, the subject is you, so we have used will. as helping verb. Then we have first form of verb, help, and then we have him as object. After him there is a determiner of time, which is this week. You will help him this week. It is an affirmative sentence. To make it a negative sentence, we need to use not after helping verb. So the sentence will become, you will not help him this week. This is a negative sentence. To make it an interrogative sentence, we'll use helping verb before the subject. So the sentence will become, will you help him this week? And a question mark in the end. This is an interrogative sentence. It means that I'm asking if you are going to help him this week. Now let's have a look at third example, which is, they will go to New York next month. They will go to New York next month means they are going to go to New York after this month, which is a future time, so that is why this tense is called future indefinite tense. Even here you can notice the helping verb is will because the subject is they. If it was I or we should have used shall, but because here the subject is they, we have used will. They will go to New York next month. This is an affirmative sentence. Now to make it a negative sentence, we only have to use not after helping verb, and the sentence will become, they will not go to New York next month. This is an interrogative sentence, and to make it an interrogative sentence, we'll use helping verb before the subject. So the sentence will become, will they go to New York next month? And then question mark in the end. And this is a formal interrogative sentence, which means I'm asking if they are going to New York next month. So guys, this is the end of this lesson. I hope you could understand it. And if you have any query, you can ask me. I will surely help you out in understanding them. And if you like the video, please share it and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Goodbye.